Greetings! In this video, we'll tell you about a Follow Your Device on Map feature in Flowfinity. It allows field users to track their current location in Flowfinity relative to an asset or location using a mobile device. This may be especially useful when the location is inside a campus or in a wilderness area where there are no roads and standard navigators are not able to provide routing directions. Although Flowfinity dashboard maps do not provide routing, this feature is useful for visualizing a GPS target location relative to you in the field. Let's take a look at how to set this up. First, we'll set up a map configuration which will allow a user to access mobile device GPS coordinates. Open the Configure tab. Go to Dashboards. For demonstration purposes, we'll use our pre-made Field Services dashboard. Right-click on the Map portion of the Map widget and select Map Properties. Go to the Available Tracking Modes drop-down and ensure that GPS and Data Records is selected. You can also turn off GPS tracking using this drop-down by selecting Data Records or None. Alternately, you could display your GPS location only. In the Default Tracking Mode drop-down, select GPS. Optionally, you can customize your GPS marker color in the field below. Save the properties. Note, unless you disable this mode in the Available Tracking Modes drop-down, it will be available for users by toggling this button even if another default model is selected in Default Tracking Modes. Publish your dashboard. Now, you can get to the desired location by navigating directly in Flowfinity. Excellent! Now you know how to set up your map properties to reflect your current GPS location, which will allow you to easily find your position relative to locations displayed in your maps. To learn more about Flowfinity features, please visit our knowledge base and Flowfinity YouTube tutorial channel. See you next time, where we will demonstrate how to assign a location remotely on your map.